Making regular backups of your data is greatly advised so that should the worst happen and your PC or laptop be damaged or stolen, recovery is swift and painless with Landlords Property Manager. We can always resupply your software, but what we can't do is reproduce your data. After all of those hours of hard work, it would be a shame to lose it all simply because you haven't made any backups. So here's how to do them. Firstly, we go into Preferences and click on Backup Settings. By clicking on the Browse button, we are able to choose where we want to make the backups to. It is also good practice to save a copy to an external drive. Once you have selected the location, click on File and then Backup Database. A dialog box will then pop up with your pre-selected location. Click on Save to complete the process. All backups are date and time stamped to make filing and locating files more efficient. In the event that something happens to your PC or laptop, getting back up and running is easy. After you have reinstalled your software either from a CD or downloaded from within your customer area, you then need to restore your latest backup back into the software. To do this, we again go to File, but this time we choose Restore Database from the options. Navigate to the location that you saved the backup to. Select the file and click on Open. You will receive the message that your database was successfully restored. With Landlords Property Manager software, you never have to fear the worst. Our backup and restore function means that you are always in control.